Madison is a quaint town. It's technically a city, but everybody knows everybody.
When we first did a walkthrough at the Eco-Cotton Mill, the building had been abandoned for a long period of time. The concrete floors were cracked. There were boards missing on some of the floors. The windows were all broken in. So it was your typical building that had been abandoned.
Everyone in town seemed to love the building, but no one could figure out what to do with it. Once you get next to these old buildings and see the beauty of them, it changes your mind. You know, you need to try to make it as useful and comfortable and give it new life. Otherwise, it will disappear. An elevator is a technical assignment, and it needs to be right. And so over the years, when I had the choice, I would always ask for Otis, and had good results, good support, good products. The Gen3 Core is the perfect size for this type building. It has all the features of a big-time elevator at a small scale. You know, it's great. Everybody appreciates how smooth it is, how quiet it is. From a construction perspective, the support we got from Otis was excellent.
I have worked with other elevator companies, but Otis seemed to know what they were doing, and they're very adept at their work, and the communication was excellent. We host many different events, so we have a lot of corporate clients that come in. There's a lot of family reunions, Christmas parties. I think retreats, we needed something that could transport as quiet as possible, albeit making sure that it was accessible, and the build out for the elevator in the picker house, it surpassed our expectations, and it worked in favor of the venue. Otis is an exceptional company.
Seeing the project go from what it was to what it is, and just knowing that we were a part of that is worth everything.
So the task is to give these old buildings that are worthy of respect a new life, and make sure that they live into the next generation.